everybody, we're here today at 6308 Crofton Drive. This is in the Sawmill Woods edition.
Experience condo living at its finest with this spacious 1,900 square foot 2-bedroom condo in the highly sought after Sawmill Woods community. Nestled on a picturesque lot overlooking a serene, wooded natural area, this home offers peace and convenience just minutes from the Purdue Fort Wayne campus and the Georgetown shopping corridor.
Let's go ahead and take a look inside.
Step into the open living room, featuring a cozy fireplace and vaulted ceiling, with a beautiful stairwell leading to the upstairs split bedroom floor plan.
As you enter, you've got a big great room, the fireplace, vaulted ceiling, entry. And this side of the home gets a lot of sunlight in the morning, a lot of shade in the evening. There is a deck area that you could use for barbecues, sitting out and watching nature. Listening to the birds.
The master bedroom boasts a large walk-in closet and offers the best views in the neighborhood. The full bath includes double vanities, providing plenty of space for your morning routine.
The master. Good views of the outside, built-ins. Got a nice sized walk-in closet. Access to the bathroom. And there's also access from the hallway. And we have a second bedroom. Good sized closet.
The finished basement adds 652 square feet of additional living space, complete with a workshop and laundry area.
Got a wet bar area. Small shop area. And then the laundry is also down here on this level. With the utilities, water heater and furnace.
Outside, the wood deck is perfect for cookouts and relaxation. This condo also includes a 1-car attached garage with extra storage.
Out to the garage. It is a 1-car garage. A little bit of storage space. The closets and company.
Recent updates include a new roof installed in 2023. HOA fees cover lawn care, snow removal, and exterior maintenance, making it easy to enjoy the low-maintenance lifestyle. Community amenities include a swimming pool, clubhouse, tennis and basketball courts, and scenic walking areas. With its incredible location and stunning views, this condo stands out from the rest. Don't miss your chance. Schedule a showing today.